You read this right. Eating meat is the same as smoking cigarettes. Let's find out why. That's because when we consume red meat, it's filled with toxins and carcinogens. Those are the exact same harmful substances that you find in cigarettes. It's the same for white meat, poultry, and pork. It also has the same harmful compounds, toxins, and carcinogens, even fecal matter, that can lead to cancer in humans. Most people naively think that eating fish and other seafood is safer, but that's a myth. Harmful substances and compounds like antibiotics and mercury are actually found in various fish and seafood products. Actually, the road to better health for humans is a plant-based diet, rich in protein, carbohydrates, and essential amino acids. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe if you enjoy the content. The Positively Logical Crew.